Hi there! Today we are going to make a pencil and a brush. Well, this sounds very interesting. So let's see what do we have in our book. We see a beautiful pencil and a brush right here. Let's see what are the steps and then start making this. Let's take a pencil at first and then make these marks. Yes, we will draw these dots and start making our two standing lines. They have to be a little away from each other. After that, join it from the bottom, make these lines and let's make the top part. This looks amazing. The next thing we do is start by making this beautiful curved line right here. Make one more on the other side. And then join it with a curve on the bottom. Make the curved line. Make this beautiful design on top. And then make the brush. Once we are done with that, you know the next step, which is sketching this. Let's start sketching this with a black sketch pen. We will go right on top of the pencil marks. Go very slow while sketching the entire drawing. And make this slowly and nicely. We can color the top part with the help of a black sketch pen as it is very small. Let's start tracing our paintbrush now. This looks beautiful. Complete sketching on top of this and do the bottom part. That's lovely. We will erase all the pencil marks we see. Once we are done erasing all the pencil marks, it's time for us to color this. Let's take our beige color or ochre color and start doing this part. After that, we will take a beautiful shade of green and start outlining this part. Go very slow and do not keep any white spaces. It is alright if your shade of green is a little different than what it's mentioned in the book. Let's take the yellow color now and do this band. And finally, let's take grey color and do the bottom part. Do not forget to do the outline and color in one direction. This looks lovely, isn't it? The next step is to start coloring the paintbrush. We will take a brown color and do the top part. And then blend it with our ochre color. This looks interesting. After that, we are going to take this brown color and do the bottom part. If you notice, this bottom curved line is supposed to be made like this in the drawing. Hence, we will continue making it the same way. Let's take ochre color and do the body of our paintbrush. Do the outline and do not leave any white spaces. This looks brilliant. Let's take our grey color and do the top part. That's beautiful. And look at that, our pencil and brush is ready.